Hello dear students, today we are starting our chapter 7, Robbie's Railroad. Robbie lived in a city near a train station. He loved watching train from his window. When summer came, Robbie went to Grandpa and Grandma Ray's farm with his mother. It was very different from the city, and for the first 2 days, Robbie was very happy in his new surroundings. Then one day he heard the whistle of a train. He wondered when he could go home so that he could see trains again. Grandpa noticed that whenever Robbie heard a train whistle, he became upset. Grandpa was sorry to see his beloved grandson unhappy. He had an idea about how to cheer him up. He bought some wood, bought his tools, and called Robbie. Together they built a wooden railway track around the orchard in front of the house. They also built a platform on wheels with 3 passenger seats, which would serve as the railway carriage, like a real train. The carriage would move along the track. Robbie could control it with the track brake. Mother brought out a little bell and rang it. Robbie climbed into the carriage with Grandpa, let go to the brake, and the carriage started moving. Grandpa started the train, and Robbie waved the mother and grandma. The neighborhood children came to see Robbie's railroad and rode on the train. When the summer finished, Robbie thanked his grandpa heartily and said that he wanted love it. And okay, this is the summary of this one. Okay, and this chapter is coming in our term 2 examination. First we will see why we will read it. Help each other and respect relations and give respect elders. हम इस चैप्टर में से we will know about that we have to respect our elders, means we have to respect our grandparents. Here fill in the blanks are there, you have to fill it. Robbie lived in the dash city. Robbie lived near the train station. Robbie's favorite thing was to do train come and go. Robbie and his mother went to visit Grandpa and Grandma. Grandma and Robbie built a wooden railway track. The carriage has a 3-passenger seat. Okay, listen here. It is a fill-ups. You have to read it carefully. This time I hope you will not get a question answers in your examination. I think you will get only MCQs type of exams, so you have to take care about that. For that you have to read whole chapter, not only question answers. You have to read chapter starting from end. You have to read all chapter, means term 2 all chapters, and term 1 chapter 1 and 5 you have to read for your examination. Okay, next page is matching is there. Word meaning matching is there. Terribly upset is column A. Terribly upset, carriage, or orchard, steer. Okay, 4 are there. An area where fruit trees are grown. B. Turn in a certain direction. Very sad, the part of a track where passenger sit. First answer is C, very sad. Second answer is D, a part of where passenger. Third answer is orchard, an area trees grow. Steer means turn in a certain direction. Write past tense of this. Think, thought, buy, bought, move, moved, begin, began, hear, heard. Next, mark these sentences as a true, not true. Okay, mark these sentences as a true and not true for a NT. First one, Robbie lived in the village. Not true. Robbie was very sad for the first 2 days. Not true. Robbie heard a train whistle. True. Grandpa Ray loved his grandson. True. Grandpa bought some wood and collected all his tools. True. Okay. This is very important chapter for you. You have to read it properly because it's coming in your term 2 examination. From here you will get all chapters MCQs type of question in your examination. Okay. Scene passage 1. In the summer, Robbie and his mother went to visit Grandpa and Grandma Ray and their farm. Robbie was very happy for the first few days. Everything was different from the city. It was all so new and interesting. Okay, this passage is from your textbook. It is called a scene passage. Answer the following questions. Who went to visit farm? Robbie and his mother went to visit farm. How was the farm? It was beautiful. It was very beautiful. Different from city. Which season was mentioned in the passage? Summer season was mentioned in the passage. Write opposites of these. Sad, happy. Old, new. Same, different. Village, city. Okay. Now scene passage 2 from your textbook. Grandpa Ray noticed that little Robbie looked terribly upset every time he heard the whistle. Grandpa Ray loved his grandson very much and did not like to see him unhappy. This is scene passage about his grandson and grandpa. Grandpa loved his grandson very much. Grandson is Robbie. Grandpa is Ray. Why he was upset? When he listened train whistle, that time he can't see train, so Robbie became upset. Okay, who was upset? Robbie was upset. When Robbie became upset? When Robbie heard whistle, he became upset. Who loves Robbie? Grandpa loves Robbie. Write past tense of these. Love, loved, hear, heard, look, looked. Okay, this is our scene passage and unseen passages. Wait for a minute. I am going to take some pictures. Means vocabulary picture is not with me. I will give you a vocabulary picture. See here. Okay. Now vocabulary, compound words. In vocabulary you have a compound words. Match the words in the first column to those in the second column to make compound words. Compound words means two words make a one words. Means strawberry, milk shake, starfish, rainbow, like this. Okay, in first column, in A column, number 1 straw, 2 foot, 3 star, 4 rain, 5 news, 6 sun, 7 bee, 8 rain, 9 water, 10 birth. Okay, B bow. A is bow, fish, paper, berry, ball, hive, flower, day, coat, melon. Okay, first one is strawberry. Answer is here. First one is strawberry. Foot, football. Star, fish. Rain, coat. sunflower. B. Hive. Rainbow.